The following video might not be suitable for everyone. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Hey, my youth, you know where I watch? Dancehall.
Not even Neko can mash up my life.
Yes.
Because I'm under the blood.
No,
so
sir.
Neko, you can't mash up my life. Because my life is a testimony. My life. Somebody say, Neko, you're lucky. You can't mash.
Alright, viewers and subscribers, my name is seriousskilla. I am here again. Big up and respect to each and everyone. Now, Amari did a song, and that song created a buzz on social media. I mean, many persons on social media talk about the song, you know. Some persons even sing the song in videos that they did. You see what I'm saying to you? Yeah, and you know, the song that Amari did, you know, some persons call it Neko, some persons call it You Mash Up My Life. But however, the song created a buzz on social media. You see me? Now, Amari have a new song that, you know, also creating a buzz on social media. You see what I'm saying to you? I could play that song for you, my viewers and subscribers, but I think it is best, you know, you support the artist and, you know, check it out for yourself. You understand? And I just presented to you a video that's out on social media that shows a person preaching and used a line from Amari's song as a punchline. And I'm talking about the Neko. Yeah. Neko, you're lucky. Alright, so let me know what you think about that video. And I have another video that I'm going to present to you. Alright. Now, the next video that I'm going to present to you, this video is a longer version of a short piece of video that I presented to you in a previous video that I did. Alright? Now, according to what has been said about this video on social media, it is said that this video shows when a female caught a man that she is in a relationship with at a woman's house. You see me? Now, some places on social media, it is said that the female caught her boyfriend at a woman's house. Some places on social media, it is said that a wife caught her husband at a woman's house. Some places on social media, it is said that Wifey caught her husband at matey house, and you know, other things have been said about the video on social media. But however, I'm going to present this video to you so that you can have a look at it. You can also tell me what you think. And you know, the reason why I'm presenting this video to you is because this video is being talked about on social media. You understand me? And you don't know me, Dancehall. I'm only here to keep you up to date and post it and let you know what's going on. Alright? And you know, I look at this video, you know, viewers and subscribers, and you know, in my point of view, I think that this video had been edited. You see me? This video seems to be pieces of videos put together and put out there on social media. But however, I'm presenting this video to you as a video that I saw on social media. You understand? Alright, now, the following video that I am about to present to you contains scenes that might not be suitable for everyone. Viewer discretion is advised. Alright? Now here's the video. Take a look, listen and observe. But hear that person at the background of the video now? Room to put you up. If she ever go in that the room there, see?
How much money you want? How much money you want? Listen, I told myself. I said, nah, but I'm coming up and get on a gas station and a car. At the gas station, lock and still come. Yeah, I'm still come. I'm a one catch you. How are you going back from around 58 and bring her around 49? From 58 and bring her around 49? Your sister them and tell them. When you see them are returning the that more you do. That more you do. That more you do. That more you do. Must talk like a bike car, with your life. You might buy car, you know. Oh, me know that? Lord Jesus Christ. Look here, listen to me. One day, I remember how many days I did foreign and I did that work. The man sent him girl to pick up Alicia from school. So tell me now what kind of husband that, what kind of brother you have? When I'm going for heartless. I'm going for heartless. And after me I come talk about it, yes, girl come talk on me and the girl jump off when I back the door wide open. I should have a gun to shoot it on the blood clot like that job. That me should have and I'm make the news and then I just like give me silence. And that me should have do. Relax. Say man. You must have a link to this for the rest of the time. Because anytime the man girl come out, remember never date try him. Now get where you deserve. If you don't get me, you're done yet. You're done yet. Oh, you're going to country. And you're there, yes, and you're drawing material. And the material you're drawing. Yeah. Yeah, look good. Make sure we're a shot, you know. Yeah. My Lord. Because my heart didn't come down here because my sleep out. Me and him have picture. So I'm come. I realize him I take this guy named the girl Timo. He named the girl Timo. All the friends named him the girl. All the friends named him the girl. So he never know say he don't catch up practice. I'm call him a while ago and I hear you. Me say you now come home. Go and go wash up your plate in the kitchen or tidy up your kitchen. So I said that's a week, yeah. So I said if I chop park a park in the road, so you never know say me the outside and see the chop. And we like go the road to park and call him. And I realize something I want to go to lay down somewhere. So I just go in. And after I mash up the window, in basket feet, I mash up the truck and I mash up.
Viewers and subscribers, on a reel, it amazes me some of the times we see some of the videos that get a buzz on social media. You see me? It really and truly amuses me to see some of the things that persons talk about on social media. On a reel, you see? Yeah. This video is one of them. You know what I mean? I look at this video and I listen to some of the things that the female said in this video, you see, and I want to point out something, you see me, and I think it is important to point out this, you see me. Do not put yourself in any trouble with the law because of jealousy or if you're caught someone that you're in a relationship with cheating or so forth, you see me. Don't put yourself in any trouble, you see me. I know it hurts, you know. I know that it hurts and I'm not defending anyone, you know. The only thing I'm trying to do is that I'm trying to put a positive message out there because me wouldn't want to see people put themselves in a problem. You see me? I have heard of many domestic violence and me here where persons hurt each other because of jealousy or because someone caught someone cheating and all these things. I mean, I really and truly want to see that happen to nobody. You understand? Yeah, so, you know, just try to put a positive message out there. I don't really business with what's going on with their relationship. I'm only presenting this video to you because it's being talked about on social media. That's it. You see what I said? Okay, alright, so I wish the best for the persons in the video where them said that the female caught a man that she's in a relationship at a woman's house or so forth. You see me? I wish the best for those persons and I want to say big up and respect to each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers, you see me? And remember that Seriousskilla channel is a place where you can let your voice be heard. You understand me? Yes, so if you want to contact the Seriousskilla, just read the description down below each and every one of these videos that I present to you on my channel, is what I'm saying to you. Yeah, there are options there where you can contact Dancehall Skilla. Alright? Again, big up and respect to each and every one of you, my viewers and subscribers, and here's where I'm going to leave it. So until the next time, if you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. My name is Dancehall Skilla. Wanna big up on yourself. You see it?
Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall Skilla! Hear me now? Hey yo, Skilla! You are watching Dancehall Skilla Entertainment.